Hello, dear listener. Welcome back to English Redo, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and full of adventures. I'm Emily.
And I'm Lily. Hi, everyone.
Today, we have a very special episode because we're going on a shopping day adventure.
Yay! I love shopping.
Me too, Lily. Let's go. Okay, Lily, before we go shopping, we need to make a plan. Can you tell me what we need to buy today?
We need fruits, vegetables, maybe some snacks, and I want a new dress too.
Great, that's a good list. So we have groceries and a clothing store. Let's check our list carefully.
Mom, can we also buy bread from the bakery?
Sure, bread is always a good idea. Let's add it to the list. So now our list is fruits, vegetables, snacks, bread, and a new dress.
Got it. Should we also bring our reusable bags?
Absolutely, Lily. We always use reusable bags to help the environment. English tip. Friends, when we say add something to the list, it means we are writing it down so we don't forget. Now, we need to get ready. Lily, can you put on your shoes?
Yes, but which shoes? My pink sneakers or my blue ones?
Let's wear the pink ones today. They match your dress.
Okay, done.
Great. Don't forget your jacket. It's a little chilly outside.
Jacket? Check. Water bottle? Check. My sunglasses? Check.
Perfect. We're all set.
Mom, I love our car rides. Can we sing a song on the way?
Sure, but let's also talk about what we're going to do first. When we reach the grocery store, what's the first thing we should do?
I think find the cart and then go to the fruits section.
Exactly. First, we pick a shopping cart, then we go to the produce section to buy fruits and vegetables. Mom, what's a produce section? Good question. The produce section is the part of the store where we find fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay, Lily, here we are at the grocery store. Let's start with fruits. What do you see?
Wow! Apples, bananas, oranges, grapes. So many colors.
Yes, fruits are full of vitamins. Let's pick some apples. How many do you think we need?
Maybe 6 apples?
Sounds good. And what about bananas?
1 bunch?
Perfect. Remember, when we count bananas, we usually count the bunch, not each banana. English tip. Bunch is a group of similar things. A banana bunch is many bananas together.
Mom, I also want some strawberries.
Sure. Let's pick one small box.
Mom, why are the grapes in 2 colors?
Good observation. Grapes can be green or red. The taste is slightly different, but both are healthy.
Green grapes taste sweeter to me.
That's your preference. Everyone has their favorite. English tip. Preference means what you like more than other things. Now, let's move to the snack aisle. What snacks do we need?
Cookies!
And maybe some crackers. Okay, remember,
We need healthy snacks too, like nuts or dried fruits. Got it! Cookies? Check! Crackers? Check! Nuts? Check! Great. Now to the bakery section for bread. Ooh, it smells so good here. Look at all the bread. White, brown, baguettes. Yes, the smell is amazing. Which one should we choose? Let's take the brown bread. It's healthier. Good choice. And maybe a small baguette for sandwiches. Yes! English tip. Baguette is a long, thin loaf of bread, usually French style. Now that we have groceries, let's go to the clothing store. Yay! I want to see the new dresses. Okay, Lily. First, let's check your size. I'm a size 8. Great. Here are some dresses in your size. Which one do you like? I like this blue one with flowers. That's very pretty. Let's check the price. Mom, what does price mean? The price is how much money we need to pay for something. Oh, so this dress costs $25. Yes. And do we have enough money in our wallet? Yes, Mom. English tip. Wallet is a small case to hold money and cards. Lily, would you like to visit a bakery or a small cafe for a snack break? Yes. Can I have a cupcake? Sure. Let's also get a small drink for you. Mom, this cupcake has sprinkles. Yes, sprinkles are tiny pieces of candy. Yum! Can I try the chocolate one too? Maybe next time. Today, we just take one cupcake each. Okay, Lily, now it's time to pay. We take all our items to the cashier. Mom, what is a cashier? The cashier is the person who accepts our money and gives us a receipt. Oh, I see. Friends, receipt is a paper that shows what we bought and how much we paid. Okay, paid. Now we put everything in our bags. Good job, Lily. Don't forget the reusable bags. We're home. Let's unpack the groceries. Okay, I can put the fruits in the fridge. Great! And the bread goes on the kitchen counter. Mom, I can also put the snacks in the pantry. Perfect! Let's wash the fruits before eating. Mom, why do we wash them? To remove any dirt or chemicals. Clean fruits are healthy to eat. Lily, today we had a lot of fun shopping, didn't we? Yes, and I learned new words like produce, bunch, section, preference, sprinkles, cashier. That's right. Friends, you can also practice these words by using them in your own shopping trips. I can't wait to go shopping again. Me too, Lily. And remember, shopping is not just buying things, it's also a chance to learn new English words and phrases. Thanks, Mom. I had so much fun today. Thank you, Lily. And thank you, friends, for joining us on this fun shopping adventure. See you next time on English Redo. Bye, everyone. Keep learning English.